Hi everyone, welcome to the next set of videos which are going to show you how we are going to link a database with the login system using a GUI that's been created using tkinter. So the login is already working with an if statement which is in the previous video, so you'll have to go back and make sure you have that code first. But before we can do anything and program it, we're going to create a database outside of Python. Now I've just shown you how we can create programs using Python, sorry, a database using Python, but this time I'm going to use the program to create a new database. Okay, so you don't always have to go through Python with SQLite. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new database, and I'm going to call this users login. So I'm just going to start this in my documents, and I'm going to just call this users login. Click save. Now we need to create the table. So for my table, I'm just going to call this credentials, and for my fields, I'm going to have username. Where type is, I want it to be text, and I'm going to have password. Again, I don't want that to be a number, I want that to be text. Okay, so now I've created a new database called users login, and my table is called credentials, and I have a column called username, which is set as text, and password that is set as text. So before you can move on, you need to have created this database, and you need to have copied the code from the previous videos, so you can now have a login window with tkinter.